let's create our Excel table with dividend payment amount. So this is the NASDAQ website. You can find this on the Google, and then this is your X dividend date. Let's copy this first. Copy this. Let's copy to the Excel. Control Shift V, or you can go to Home and paste it. Okay. Now go to Home, go to Format as Table, choose your table, and make sure this is checked. And the next one is go to Data, go to Data Types, and choose Stocks. Now all the information will be data will be connected to the stock market, and we don't need B column. Delete that. Highlight all of that. Double click here. So now if you look at this icon in front of the text, you will see all of this stock information. Okay. Now if you click here, you will see this small icon. Click there and go down. Choose price. Now that's the price of each of these stocks. Now let's calculate. Let's say you want to invest $10,000. Okay. Let's choose this stock, $, double click. Okay. Let's say now number of stocks. Okay. 10,000 divided by unit price. So that's your stock. So with $10,000, you can purchase 1,453 stocks with this price. Now let's say you want to calculate your monthly dividend. So in a month, how much can you make if you purchase? So this is your monthly dividend a month, which is a dollar value. So how about annual dividend? Stock. This is F column. Okay, these two are all, the US dollar value. Okay, that's your annual dividend. What's the percentage wise? Let's see. You invested. Okay, this is the percentage. Oops. Percentage. Now let's say largest to smallest. Let's delete the first three. Okay, let's translate the numbers. Okay, if you purchase this first company's stock, you're gonna pay $7.24 per stock. Let's say you invest in $10,000, you're gonna purchase 1,381 stocks. Approximately, they're gonna give you $138 per month. But after 1 year of holding, you will make $3,315 after investing $10,000, which is 33% yield of return. Okay, now and just go to data and just refresh all. So now all data will be fresh, and that's it. Now you can make that too.